The eclipse, during this time period, it is the clock of the universe. If it does not surrender, then you have resistance and you have pain in the body. Then you have hard times to transform and receive. And it is because you are going against the universal clock. Every time it's a cycle, it's a 6-month cycle that allows you to kind of go through the spiral and see what you haven't basically truly released, transformed, let go of. What does the eclipse do? The eclipse, during this time period, it is the clock of the universe. It is the true time that we should be working under. And eclipse brings up the shadows. The shadows that it brings up allows us to bring the subconscious mind to the surface. When that subconscious mind comes up to the surface, this is the time where your personality has to surrender. The persona has to give in. If it does not surrender, then you have resistance and you have pain in the body. Then you have hard times to transform and receive. And it is because you are going against the universal clock. The eclipse season are done several times throughout the year. Every time it's a cycle, it's a 6-month cycle that allows you to kind of go through the spiral and see what you haven't basically truly released, transformed, let go of. It could be a personal relationship, the way you communicate with yourself, the way your relationship with your own positive, negative charge, the relationship within your own mother and father. These relationships are subconscious minds, and the resistance is the emotional body. You start feeling it there. The resistance is shown in the emotional body, which is your physical body. And you start feeling that transformation from the higher realms that's coming in. And if you are having resistance to it, you'll have pain in the body, in the nervous system, in the mind, in the bones, in the tissue, and all these places, because it just wants to flow through you. Energy wants to flow through you. Why? Because you are the source, you are the core. The core meaning, if this is a toroidal field, okay, if this is the field, then you are in the center of that field. And everything is the subconscious mind here needs to process through the center. It needs to come through the center. And the personality says, no, I am not changing. I want to stay. I know that's what's right. I know how I am. This is the way I protect myself. This is the way I exist. They're all perfect. That's what the personality thinks. But the higher mind does not think. It just wants to be in the flow. It wants to be in the flow. So we allow ourselves to flow. And through this process of allowing ourselves to flow, the moon, which is a representation of the mother, brings everything up to the surface and gives it to the father, to the son, to burn it, to transmute it into light. So the moon serves us and shows us how we can transform our emotional state, our mental patterns, into a higher state of consciousness.